Now in your fifth part, you had learned the division of line segment AB by point P, that is internally, then section formula, midpoint formula, centroid formula and all your problems. And now today we will start the area of a triangle, that is 7.3. Okay, the last formula that I already discussed in your part 4. Okay, all formulas. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, B minus 1 and 0 and C 2 and minus 4. So we will write let the vertices of triangle ABC. First, x1, 2, x2 minus 1, x3, 2. Clear? We will write y1, 3, y2, 0, y3 minus 4. Clear? First of all, we finish this statement. Okay, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Okay, now formula already I explained. First, x1, 2, x2 minus 1, x3, 2. First we will write outside. Now 1, 2, 3. Clear? Now 1 is there. 1 after 1 what will come? 2 and 3. But what? 1 that is given 2. Now y 2 that is 0 minus and minus 4. We will write inside the bracket. Okay, x2 we are writing minus 1 plus minus minus 1 directly we can do. Now plus x2. Okay, so here 2 के बाद क्या आएगा 3. So y3 minus 4 and y1 3 minus 3, x3 2, then y3 minus 0. Clear children? First we will write this statement. Then first we will write x1, x2, x3. Then inside we will write y. If it is a 1, 2, 3. Then 2, 3, 1. Then 3, 1, 2. We are having 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Clear? So now half 2 plus minus minus plus. So 2 4s are 8. Now plus minus minus. Minus 4 and minus 3 that is minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 1 will become plus 7. And here 3. 2 3s are 6. So now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 6 21. 21 upon 2. That is 10.5. Divide. Okay. Divide the number. So you will get the 10.5. But why we are adding square units? Because we have to find out the area of a triangle. Clear children? Now children, we will start the question 1 ka second question. Okay. Now in the question 1 there are 2 questions. Okay. Now second one. Okay. Here also find the area of a triangle ABC, and A, B and C are given. Now x equal to minus 5, B, x2 3, x3 5, y1 minus 1, y2 minus 5, y3 2. This one is a easy. Half x1 minus 5, x2 plus 3, x3 plus 5. Okay. Now y2 minus 5 minus and here 2. Clear? y3 is 2. Then minus y1 minus 1, y1 minus 1. This minus minus. y2 minus 5. We will write inside the bracket. Clear? Minus 5 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus plus 3 3 minus minus plus. Okay. So 2 plus 1 3 plus plus 5. Okay. Minus 1 minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 5. So what will come? Plus 4. Clear children? Here this one is a main. Clear? Now multiplication. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 3s are 9. 5 4s are 20. Clear? Half into 9 plus 4. 9 plus 5 14. 1 carry 3 3 and 3 6. So now divide 32 square units. Now clear children, how we will find the vertices of a triangle ABC and we will find out the area of a triangle. Clear? This one is your last formula. Now children, we will start the second question. There are two questions. Now in each of the following, find the value of k. Okay, here we have to find the value of k. A, B, C. One question you just find out the one value is not there and k is there. Okay, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. If the points are collinear, then area of imaginary triangle formed by those points as the vertices must be 0. Clear? So we will write here. So here, first let given points, first question. Okay, this one is the first question, this one is the second question. Okay, true. This one is the second question only, but inside second question we are having the 2 points. Let the given points A, B, C. Now A first 7, x2, x1 7, x2 5, x3 3. Then y1 2, y2 1 and y3 k. We are writing half, 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 half. Okay, half x1, x1 7. Okay, y2 that is 1 minus k plus x2, x2 5. Okay, then y3 is k minus 2. Clear? Minus 2. Then x3 plus 3. Then y1 minus 2 and minus 1. So here, first of all, we will remove the half. Okay, because points are collinear and we have to find out equal 0. So now we will remove the half. Okay, now 1 7s are 7 minus 7k plus 5k. Okay, minus minus plus. Okay, so here 2 5s are 10. Here plus 3. Minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 3. Minus 3 and 3 3s are 9. So minus 9 equal 0. So here we will write minus 7k plus 5. So minus 2k and 7. 7 plus 10. 17. Okay. And here it is given the minus 9. Clear? So plus 8 equal 0. So minus 2k equal, we are shifting our number from the right hand side because we want to find out the value of k. Find the value of A, find the value of B because one number is missing. Okay, so now the variable on the left hand side and the number on the right hand side. So we can write k equal 4. Clear children? So here minus minus both the side we can cancel it. Similarly, same question. x1 8, x2 k and x3 2. y1 1, y2 minus 4, y3 minus 5. Clear children? Half x y2. Similarly we will write. Okay, so we will write y2 minus y3, full formula same. So now first x1 8, then minus 4 minus minus plus 5. Okay, we will change it. Otherwise we can show x2 that is k, y3 minus 5 and minus 1, x3 2, y1 1 and minus 4. So minus minus plus 4. Okay, so here will be change. We will remove the half. 8 minus 4 minus minus plus 5 and minus 4. So what will remain? 1. Clear? Plus 1. Why? Because minus minus plus 5 and minus 4. So plus 1. Here plus minus minus 5k and here simple question 1 into k, that is minus k, plus 2. 1 minus minus plus 4 equal 0. So 8 minus 6k and here 2 5s are 10 equal 0. Similarly minus 6k plus 18 equal 0. And here children, please write here equal 0, equal 0, equal 0. Clear? Because points are collinear. So imaginary we have to show k, we have to find out the value of k. When we will write the any variable, you have to write equal 0. Clear? So here 6k equal minus 18. You are changing number from left to right. Minus minus both the side cancel. 6 is 18. So k equals to 3. Clear, children? Now children, we will start the third question, exercise 7.3. Okay, fine. Now read the question from your textbook. Find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the sides of the triangle. Okay, we are having the one triangle and we are having the midpoint also, where vertices are A, that is a given 0 minus 1, B 2 minus 1, 2 and 1, and the C, that is 0 and 3. Find the ratio of area of the triangle formed to the area of a given triangle. Clear? First of all, okay, so we will start the question now. Children, now here it is a given. How you will find the answer? First of all, we are having one triangle, okay, and the vertices are given. And we have to find out the area of a triangle DEF. And how we will get? With the help of midpoint, we will get the D. With the help of E, this one midpoint of this line, E is a midpoint of, that is a given BC. Okay, so first, how we will start? Let the vertices of given triangle ABC are A, B and C given. Okay, first D is a midpoint of A, B. So we will write A and we will write B. Okay, so 0 plus 2 upon 2. Minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So 0 plus 2, that is 2 upon 2. So that is 1. And minus 1 plus 1, that is 0 upon 2. So that is 0. Clear? So now the D point we are getting 1 and 0. D point we are getting 1 and 0. Then E is a midpoint. E is a midpoint of B, C. B is 2 and 1 and C 0 and 3. So now 0 plus 2 and 1 plus 3. So here 2 upon 2, that is 1, and 4 upon 2, that is 2. So we can write E, that is 1 and 2, and E 1 and 2. Clear, children? Now F is a midpoint of AC. Okay, so A is 0 and minus 1 and C is 0 and 3. Okay, so 0 plus 0 upon 2 minus 1 and 3. So 2 upon 2. So that is 1. And 0 upon 2, that is the numerator is 0, means answer is 0. Clear? So here 0 and 1. 2 upon 2. So now we can write. Clear? So 2 upon 2. Now we can write. Okay, so 2 upon 2, that is given the 1. So here we can write here 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Clear? So now DEF, area of a DEF. Clear? X1, 1, X2, 1, X3, 0. Okay, Y1, 0, Y2, 2 and the Y1, Y3, 1. Clear, children? Now half X1, X2, X3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. Inside minus and in the inside minus sign. Clear? So now half. Now 1. 1. Okay. Y2. 2 minus 1. Then X2. 1. Okay. Y3. Y3. That is 1. Y1. 0. So 1 minus 0. Okay. X3, that is 0. Okay. X3, 0. So Y1, 0 minus 2. Okay. So here half. 1 same. 2 minus 1 same. 1. Okay. 1 minus 0, 1. Here any number multiplied with the 0, that is 0. And 0 minus 2, that is answer is 0. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1, and here any number multiplied with the number, that answer will be 0. So half upon 2 into 2. So 2 2 cut. So answer is 1. Clear? So area of a triangle DEF, answer is 1. Because required ratio you have to write the area of DEF upon triangle ABC, area of a triangle ABC, that is here 4. Okay, so now area of a triangle ABC, A is given 0 and 1, B 2 and 1, C 0 and 3. Clear? So here also same we will write. Clear? Half, and we will get the idea. Clear? So here directly you can find the two, x1 0, x2 that is given 2, x3 that is given 0. Here multiplication 1 minus 2, so minus 2 plus 2 here, 3 minus minus plus 1 here, 0 minus 2. Clear? So here 0, 2 into minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. 4 2s are 8 and 0 multiply with the 0. So 1 upon 2 into 8. So here it is given 4. So required ratio equal area of a triangle DEF upon area of a triangle ABC. That is given 4. So required ratio you have to write 1 upon 4. Now children, we will start the next question, that is question number 4. Okay, now the question is given, find the area of a quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are minus 4, minus 2 order. Given, matlab A, B, C, D. A is minus 4 and minus 2, B minus 3 and minus 5, C 3 and minus 2, and the D 2 and 3. Okay, so first we will write the quadrilateral of the let the coordinates of the given quadrilateral ABCD are given. Okay, ABCD. Now we will join this one diagonal AC, which divide the quadrilateral into equal parts. So we will calculate the area of a triangle ABC and then area of a triangle CDA. Clear? So now first in triangle ABC, first we will write this one, ABC, fix, then x1, now A, 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 2, B, minus 3, minus 5, C, 3 and minus 2, clear? Now x1, minus 4, x2, minus 3, x3, 3, y2, minus 2, y1 minus 2, y2 minus 5, y3 minus 2. Clear children? Half x1, we will write the formula. Now x1 minus 4, then minus 5, minus and minus 2. Okay, we are writing separately. Clear? Because here I want to show you the minus into minus plus 2. Now you can write direct this statement. Clear? Then x2 is minus 3. We will write plus, but minus 3 we will write in the bracket. Okay? Then y3 that is minus 2, minus y1 minus 2. Then x3 plus 3. Clear? Then y1 minus 2, and then minus and minus 5. So here minus 4. Clear? Here minus plus 2. Plus minus minus 3. Minus 2. Minus plus 2. Plus 3. Minus 2. Minus plus 5. So here minus 5. And here minus 5 plus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3. Then minus 2 plus 2, 0, plus 3, and here also plus 3, plus 5 minus 2, plus 3. 4 3s are minus into minus, plus, minus, minus 3 and 0. So we will write plus 0. We will not write minus 0. Clear? 3 3s are 9. So 12 plus 9, 21 upon 21. So half into 21. So 21 upon 2. That is a square unit. So compulsory units you have to write. Now in CDA, C 3 minus 2, D 2 minus 3, and A minus 4 and minus 2. A 3, x2 2, x3 minus 4. y1 minus 2, y2 3, and y3 minus 2. Here compulsory you have to write. Half x1 3, y2, 3 minus minus 2, minus minus 2, x2 plus 2, y3, that is given 3. Okay, clear? So we can write, clear children, by 3. So y3 minus 2, y3 minus 2 minus, and y1 minus 2 plus x3 minus 4. We are writing minus 4 inside the bracket. y1 minus 2 and minus, and here it is given minus, so here it is given plus, so we will write only 3. Clear children? So here half 3, now minus minus plus, so okay, plus 2 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 plus minus minus 4 minus 2 minus 5, we will write minus 5. Half 3 into 5 plus 2 into 0 minus 4 into minus 5. 3 5s are 15. 2 into 0, 0. Minus 4 into minus 5 plus 20. So 35. So 35 upon 2 square units. Okay. So now area of a quadrilateral we have to find out. ABC. ABC is 21 upon 2 and here 35 upon 2. Here denominator is the same. So you have to add 5 plus 1 6 and 3 plus 2 5. So 56 upon 2. So we can write 28 square units. Clear children? Now children, the last question of your exercise 7.3 and the last question of your chapter number 7. Now you have studied in class 9 what is the median of a triangle. Median of a triangle. CD, divide the triangle into equal areas. Okay. Verify the result for triangle ABC given, and the vertex A, that is given 4 minus 6, B 3 comma minus 2, and the C is given 5 comma 2. Okay, so now we have to write, given that coordinate of a vertex is ABC. Okay, we will write, let CD is a median and the D is a midpoint of AB. With the help of D, then only we can divide and we can find out. So first midpoint formula. Clear children? Because we want the coordinates of a D. Okay, so coordinate of a D, that is a given. This one D is a midpoint of AB. So we will write A 4 comma minus 6 B. Okay, so now 4 plus 3 divided by 2 and minus 6 minus 2 divided by 2. So 7 upon 2 and minus 8 upon 2. So naturally minus 4 and 7 divided by 2. You will get 3.5 and minus 4. Clear children? Now A value, now in triangle ADC, A value, A coordinates, 4 comma minus 6. D, A, D is 3.5 and minus 4. Okay, and C is 5 comma 2. Clear? Now x1 4, x2 3.5, x3 5. Okay, y1 minus 6, y2 minus 4, y3 2. Clear? Now area of ADC. Okay, formula of this one triangle. Now x1 4. Clear? x2 3.5, x3 5, y2 minus 4 and y3 minus, and here 2 we will write. Okay, then y3 that is 2 minus y1 minus 6. Okay, plus 5. Okay, x3 plus 5, y1 minus 6 and y2 minus 4. Okay, so here this statement is not compulsory. Clear? You can write direct this statement. This is for only explanation. So here minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, 3.5 and 2 minus plus 6 plus 5 minus 6 minus plus 4. So here 4. Clear? 4 and here 4 minus 6. So 4 6 are 24. Here 8. 8 into 3.5. 8 into 3.5. So 5 is 40 point. 2 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. Now after one place decimal, so you will start from the right hand side, so you will get 28. And here minus 2 and 5, that is minus 10. So directly you can write this statement. This one is not a compulsory. Clear? So now 6 4s are 24. Here 8 3s are 20, 8 3s are here 28. We are this one getting, and here minus 2 and 5 minus 10. Clear? So here you will get the 34 minus 34 plus 28. So minus 6. So minus 3. Clear? 2 3s are 6. And here the area we will write 3 square units. Why? Because area cannot be negative. Now question 5, continue. Now we are calculating CDB. C we are writing 5 comma 2, then D 3.5 minus 4, and the B 3 minus 2. X1 5, X2 3.5, X3 3, Y1 2, Y2 minus 4, Y3 minus 2. Clear? So here formula we are writing each and everything. Here we have to be very particular about the sign. Okay. So here the X1 5, X2 3.5, X3 3. Then here Y2 minus 4, Y3 minus, here we will write, and minus 2 we are writing inside the bracket. So minus 4 minus plus 2. Here minus 2 minus 4. Here also 2 minus plus 4. Clear, children? Now it's a good practice. Now you can do it directly. Now 5 minus 2. 3.5 into minus 4. And here 6. So here 10. 3.5 into minus 4. Clear? So 14 coming. 14 answer is there. Okay. So now we can write the 14. Minus 14, because here it is minus. 6 3s are 18. So answer is now minus 6. Okay. 24 minus 24 and plus 18. So now answer will be minus 6. So here minus 3. So area cannot be negative. We will write 3 square units. Okay. From the above discussion, it is clear that the area of ADC plus equal area of CDB equals to 3 square units. Hence, the median of a triangle, that is a CD, divide it into 2 triangles of equal areas. Clear? So now this one is your last question. So please children, do your practice. Thank you.